Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. Usually at the start of my online classes, I put students into breakout rooms so that they can chat about how they're bearing up, what's been going on where they are, and so on. Yesterday I had 6 students at the start of the class and I'd set up 3 breakout rooms. I was just about to press the button to put them in pairs in separate rooms to talk about how they're doing, when suddenly 6 more students suddenly turned up in class. In response to this, I said, typical, SOD'S law, isn't it? The minute I'm about to put everyone in breakout rooms, the class size doubles and I have to set up a whole load of new rooms. If you describe a situation by saying it's SOD'S law, often by adding isn't it, you basically mean that whatever could go wrong has just gone wrong. You might be familiar with the more American English version, which is Murphy's Law. So just to give you some more examples, you might say, do you know what happened this morning? The bus that I usually get into town, it's always late, 5 minutes, 10 minutes late. This morning, the one day I'm 2 minutes late, the bus actually arrived on time and so I missed it. SOD'S law, isn't it? You might also say, well, it's SOD'S law, isn't it? The one day that I managed not to have to work, my one day off in a fortnight, I end up getting ill and have to spend the day in bed. In the same way, you might have a friend who's visiting your town or city, and you might be trying to arrange to meet them, but in the end you find you can't. Your friends might ask you, hey, did you manage to meet Sarah while she was in town? Funny you should ask. No, I didn't. SOD'S law, basically. The one day that I had some free time and was available to meet her was the day that she had to go and do this big presentation. Typical! If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of SOD'S law from your life.